Alright, listen up. We got a new NERF gun. It's called the Hyperfire. Do you want to see it? Yes, sir. Alright, here it is.
Okay. Then you're going to say, if you need to use it, use it. Say it.
If you need to use it, use it.
Say it louder.
If you need to use it, use it.
Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. Now, you're going to go and say, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait, in 3, 2, 1. Then put this back on. Okay, now you're gonna go and say,
Alright, this is the mission. The army has stole the goldfish. Now you have to retrieve them. Do you understand? Yes, sir.
go.
Oh, what's this? What was that? What was that? What was that? I think he hurt me.
Go.
Uh-huh. Hey, look what I got. It's a real gun.
Louder.
It's real. It's a real gun. That's not fair. You have a real gun. All fair in love and war.
1.
Yeah, I guess that's true. But why?
Go.